Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to detach a Waste King style garburator and how to put it back. First I removed the two bolts which keeps the drain to the garburator. Next was the dishwasher drain connection. And the last one is to turn the ring anti-clockwise, which makes your garburator free and it comes out. In this case it was a little sticked on there because of the long time. I hold the garburator itself a little and hammer the ring. So the ring turns without turning the garburator and it drops down. To put the garburator back, basically I put the drain piece in there first and then push the garburator inside the notches of the ring and turn the ring clockwise as much as I can. This way the ring holds the garburator right in there. The next thing is to push the drain piece against the washer which stands between the garburator and drain piece, and then squeeze and tighten the slip joint nut which holds the drain piece right there. And the next thing is to put the two bolts back in there like ordinary screw and bolt. The only thing is we wanna tie them halfway first and then continue tying them together. If in case you have any kind of different drainage setup and different garburator under your sink which you don't find in this video, I would recommend you to use our visual support, which I'm gonna leave the link for you here. Basically you get in touch with the technician through a video call and the technician walks you step by step through the project, and it's also free for the first hour. Go ahead and please try it. Here the last thing, I put the dishwasher drainage there which has a simple gear clamp on it. Basically we push it in and tie the gear clamp, not too much again, as much as it holds there and it doesn't come off by pulling it out. And the last thing, I just make sure all my connections such as that slip joint there is tight, and then test the work over and over to make sure there isn't any leak.